Off. Start. Morning, everybody. Outdoor Rob here on a nice frosty November morning. Just gonna go out for a little drive, get out of the city. Haven't been able to do much between bills and truck repairs and stuff like that. It's kind of set me back, so gotta get out today and do a little drive. I don't know if it'll be anything exciting or not, but at least I'll get out in the back roads and do a little bit of exploring. Nice crisp morning, minus 10, sunny at least. It's gonna be a nice day. A little bit of ice forming on the river this morning. They've done a lot of logging in the last few years. Opened up a lot of the old roads, some new roads. And a lot of the bush. Trees down. I don't think it's from them. I think it's from a windstorm that we had a couple months ago. I don't see any signs of fire. I thought the road went right to where the fire started. Could be wrong. Looks like they had some good rain up here. A lot of little wash. A lot of big cut area now. We're getting down into the good stuff now. That's why I need so many repairs on the truck, I guess. Yeah, this is looking pretty nasty. went right through here. You can see all the burned timbers here. Could probably go right back to the start there and figure out where it started. I don't really think that was a road. Yeah, see all the burn? Started right back there. This is all burned through here. Went into the bush there, up the hill. I wouldn't classify this as an active fire anymore. Looks like there was a slash pile here that burned. So 3 weeks ago, this was a rip-roaring fire, apparently. Not anymore. Looks like somebody lost their can of beans. Almost looks like a beaten path came in here from where that can of beans was. Somebody came in here, maybe sit right up here. Watch for moose. Maybe threw a cigarette down. And then the fire took off from here. Ice and a puddle. Still moose sign in this area even after the fire. Not sure when those would be. During the day sometime when the ground thaws out. Last few days. Almost looks like a calf print. Alright, that was just my opinion. Could have been anything that started this fire. But it's not active, as they say. No smoke, no nothing. Moving on. Pretty strange, I haven't seen any chickens on this road. Maybe they come out later in the evening. Nope. Now I say that, there's one right there. Doesn't want to do anything. Make him walk a bit. No, he flew. Well, we saw one chicken anyways. I'm running out to see what was going on. This machine here has been here for quite a while. It's a big cat. Take a closer look at it. A big caterpillar, D8K. Been sitting here for a long time, tracks off of it. Squirrel's freaking out. For longest undercarriage life, adjust properly. I don't think the tracks are adjusted properly. Big engine. I don't know, diesel engine, so. Forward, got a lock here, gears, that keeps it locked, won't go into gear now. That's a key. Got heat off, start. I'm a diesel operator now. The battery's a little dead. Cool. But like I said, this thing's been here for at least a couple of years, if not more. Very cool. That's a big machine. Very cool. Nobody's come out to fix it, try to move it or anything. That's a cat in the bush. Alright, I guess the tour is over. The boring tour. Alright, thanks for coming along, spending the afternoon. On to the next one.